want to ask is like here in abroad, like we are in Dubai now, and then we have been working since long time here.
Yeah.
So our, it's like a regular daily same task from morning, like 9 a.m. to till 6, 7 p.m. It's like all regular task.
Yeah.
Then we meet different kind of people in a daily basis. Okay, so we try to be happy always. We try to be enjoy, but sometimes because of small issues, suddenly we become temper. We become angry. So there's something you can share that we'll try to reduce such. Try to be more happy and try to reduce such temper or anger in the work time.
Don't read it when you are happy. When you are unhappy, you can read it. A small writing, one sentence you write and keep it with you. But don't read it when you are happy.
Okay.
Read it only when you are unhappy.
Okay.
And that reading, the small sentence is, even this will change. Even this will change.
Okay.
But don't read it when you are happy. Then you will become unhappy. Understood? You are from Nepal. 100% there is a hill, there is a valley, there is a hill, there is a valley. It's full of mountains, right?
Yes.
And beautiful jula, like nice swinging bridges.
Yes.
And maybe the rope which will take you across.
Yes.
Understand, when there is a valley, you have a bridge given, swinging, beautiful. Earlier in our Hindi movies, we used to go to Nepal to shoot them.
Yes. Yes.
All the old Hindi movies, that used to be one of the best scene. Nepal, right? And you can cross it. You can sing and cross all your problems. And from mountain top, you will reach the next mountain top. But when you are in tension and you are singing, even the swinging bridge will become horrible for you. If you look at the deep down and see, I am going to fall, you cannot enjoy the swing. So these problems are there. But then look at it as swinging bridge with enjoyment. Don't think about falling from the bridge. You are going to cross it. Don't think about the ropeway. I have seen in Gandagi river, people go to, what is the temple? Kamakhya, that equivalent to Kamakhya, there is a temple there, no? In which, when you go there, you will have goat, you will have public people in a small, that cane seating place. Yeah, and then when you pull it, don't look down and then see, I am going to fall. Enjoy the beauty. It's a rare opportunity given to you. Got it? I am sure Nepalese people are so courageous here. Most of the people who took birth in mountainous regions. I am from Western Ghats. They are not like the flat terrain people. They are always worried. You have that courage because childhood onwards you are into difficult terrain, difficult situations.
Yes.
That should give you. Yeah, I have crossed these many times. I have gone through problems many times, and after that it changed. Even this will change. Right? Don't say I am in a problem. I am not in a problem. I am just seeing the problem beside me. When you get into problem and you say I am in a problem, you will see only problem, because around you problems are there. I am not in a problem. I can see solutions beside. Problems are beside. For every problem there is a solution beside.
Yes.
There is no problem without a solution. Otherwise the problem is inside you, not you are in a problem. When you are in a problem, then you cannot solve. If problem is inside you, cross your fingers like this, take a deep breath, and then drink a lot of water, go to washroom, flush it, finished. You say no problem. Keep saying no problem. No problem. Millions of people in the world, yeah. Market is so huge. If not this buffalo, some other buffalo. You are not depending on one person, right? Sometimes you require a lot of patience. One hit, no big stone will break. You need to hit them. But don't keep on hitting without looking where to hit. If you look at the stone in different places, you know where to hit. Then the crack will come inside faster. So, not hard work, smart work. Marketing is always smart work, not hard work. We know problems. Problems are there for everyone. Without a problem, what is challenging in life? There has to be problems. Yeah, it's boring. You must get engaged. And that challenges, whether it is horrifying, terrible, worrying, or adventurous. Last word, adventurous, makes you thrilling. That crossing the river can be an adventure. But if you don't like it, it cannot be an adventure. It is a worrying problem. It's horrifying. It's trouble. Otherwise, it's an adventure. So take risk. Don't worry. Nothing will happen. Take challenges. Enjoy. Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Live in full enjoyment. Create moments. Create moments of thrilling experience.
Thank you so much.
I got one more friend in Nepal now.
There are two are actually. Mahesh is there.
Yeah, Mahesh is also there. Yeah.
Mahesh are there. Man Bahadur also there. There are two are there. And we have a great friend from Philippines also, Richard.
Yeah. I had a lot of Philippine people. Generally, every day I do some satsang with 4:30 to 5:30. I had few people joining me from Philippines also. Kathmandu, I did a lot of academic programs also.
And we have two from Pakistan also. I told
Yeah.
you, Bakas,
Peshawar is known to me.
Bakas.
I know Peshawar very well.